Hey, you wanna learn hacking but you don't know where to start? Well, you can't really do much without the correct setup, can you? So I have decided to teach you how to install your very first operating system for hacking. Its name is Kali Linux and it contains most of the stuff that you would need to start your learning journey. Hi, my name is Kostadin, this is Bullhack, let's begin. Alright guys, so this is my virtual machine. As you can see, I'm running VMware Workstation 16 Pro. I'm on a Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how to install that software. First, go to Google, right? Google.com and type in Workstation Pro 16. You see the very top option, VMware Workstation. So I'm gonna click here. And if you go down below, on the very bottom of the website, you'll see download free trials. Click that. And here you will see that you have a search form. Here I'm going to type in Workstation 16 or just Workstation, let's see. Yes. We are going to click on the Workstation Pro. Remember, Workstation Pro and not Workstation Player, because the player is the free version and we don't really need that. I'm going to download by clicking this button here. And as you can see, the download has started. Now that the download has completed, we can open the file and start the installation process. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, but I have decided to install VMware Workstation on my virtual Windows 10 machine for the very purpose of this video. Not because you yourself have to do that. You can do it on your local machine. It's just that I already have, as you can see, VMware Workstation on my local machine, and I didn't really want to mess up the setup and the configuration. So I'm just going to install that VMware Workstation on my local virtual machine. So here I'm going to click next. I'll accept the terms and license agreement. Yes, I would like to have that keyboard. You can change the directory if you would like to customize it. Those two options are purely optional. I'll just click next. Yes, please, the shortcuts, install. Right, now as you can see, the workstation should have been installed. I'm gonna click finish. I'm not gonna restart my computer, even though you should restart your computer, but for the very purpose of this video, I don't really need to do that now. I'll open the Workstation Pro, just so that you can see that it works. There you go. So the installation has been completed. Now we need to install our very own operating system for hacking. So to do that, we're going to go to offensive security. Type in Google or your search engine of your choice, offensive security. I'll click the first option because it's the correct one. And here there are plenty of options, right? We want to go to Kali Linux downloads. Kali Linux is the name of your operating system that we're looking at. So here we have plenty of options again. We don't really need all that. This is for mobile, ARM, Raspberry Pi. We need the virtual machine, which is pre-installed, pre-configured, and it's going to save us a lot of time. If you have stable connection, you can click here and install and download that software through your browser. If you have slow connection, slow download rates, please use a torrent instead. Alright guys, so now that the download has completed, you can see that I have the compressed file in my D drive. I have extracted it. You can do that by right clicking. I am using 7-zip. If you're using WinRAR, you're going to have that option here. Extract here or extract to the name of the folder. So I have it here. I'm gonna open it, and this is how it should look like. All right, it should contain all those files. So what I need to do now is I'm going to open Workstation. This is how it should look like. I'll click File, Open. And you need to discover the directory of your Kali Linux. And this is the file that you need to open. It is, let me see, it should say VMware Virtual Machine configuration file. I'll open that. And here it is. I have already opened it before and I renamed it whatever. So you can rename it by right clicking at Kali Linux, for example. That's how you can rename your machine. What I need to do next is I can edit virtual machine settings. From where you can change the RAM that you need. I have chosen for my virtual machine to have 8 gigabytes, 4 processors and 80 gigabytes of hard disk space. So I'm going to click resume. In your case, it's going to be turn on. And there it is. We are logged into our very own virtual machine for hacking. As you can see, we're presented with a lot of information, and all those tools which we're going to be studying are already configured and already within that operating system. So we have the ability to study hacking from this operating system. So we have managed to install our very own operating system for hacking. If you repeat the steps and you encounter any issues, errors, whatever, just type in the comments and we'll try to help you out. Anyway, if you have enjoyed our content, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video.